As we shift our focus to the thrilling world of motorsports, your screens unveil an electrifying drag race. Traditionally spanning a quarter-mile distance, the speeds achieved here are mind-boggling, with cars soaring between 180 to 249 miles per hour. A remarkable record in this discipline was set by the legendary racer, Sammy Miller, who conquered the quarter-mile in a jaw-dropping 3.22 seconds. Astonishingly, despite being caught on video, this record remains unofficial. However, another impressive feat of 3.58 seconds by Sammy Miller serves as a benchmark. The key essence of dragsters lies in their reliability, as they endure tremendous strain despite covering less than 100 miles in a season. Hence, the success lies not only in the skilled drivers but also the masterful car mechanics. This 1956 vintage car underwent a remarkable transformation, skillfully revived by a renowned American automotive restoration and repurposing company. With an illustrious past of competing in various events, it owes its triumphs to the powerful Chrysler Hemi engine. The restoration endeavor consumed several months, necessitating extensive reconstruction, particularly the intake. The formidable size of the rear wheels is a testament to their specialized design for drag racing. Emitting a captivating engine roar, this classic vehicle continues to captivate the younger generation, epitomizing the true essence of speed. Introducing Chuck's extraordinary creation, a one-of-a-kind custom bike. Chuck Beck, revered as an American classic car legend, crafted this masterpiece. Its unique appearance owes itself to the extraordinary engine, a Lamborghini V12, propelling it to an exhilarating 140 miles per hour. To ensure a smooth ride, a Volkswagen Type 3 gearbox was skillfully integrated. Every meticulous detail seamlessly merges, leaving both its creator and onlookers in awe. As Chuck sums it up, once you're on the move, it handles just like any other motorcycle. Best wishes to this ingenious engineer on his future endeavors. Introducing the ultimate fusion of adrenaline and power, motorcycles, boats, and sports cars are merely child's play compared to this unparalleled marvel. Witness the true embodiment of masculinity. Behold the tractor, an unstoppable force boasting a V12 diesel engine, producing an astounding 800 horsepower. This magnificent beast shares the same mighty engine found in the legendary T54 and T55 tanks. Originating from Sweden, this behemoth has undergone an elongation to accommodate its immense power, yet remains fully operational. Unapologetically unenvironmental, it thrills with a top speed of 99.4 miles per hour while idling, and, hold your breath, it has even reached Mach 4. The fascinating story of the Volkswagen Beetle can be traced back to the 1930s, when visionary German designer Ferdinand Porsche embarked on a mission to create an affordable and uncomplicated car. Today, his legacy lives on through modified versions, such as the one showcased in this captivating video. Resembling a vehicle straight out of the next Mad Max sequel, this Beetle is powered by a 220 horsepower Continental engine, borrowed from a 1941 M2 tank. To economize and stabilize the vehicle during testing, the engine was converted to run on propane fuel, while a simple yet ingenious solution involved pouring approximately 200 pounds of cement into the car's front as a counterweight. Introducing the extraordinary vehicle featured on your screen, a true marvel. This monster car harnesses the raw power of a V12 jet engine, unleashing an astounding 750 horsepower. With an impressive fuel efficiency of 0.3 gallons per 0.6 miles, it rockets past 62 miles per hour. The engine itself stretches a remarkable 6 feet and weighs a formidable 1,124 pounds. Originally installed in a 1908 La France, this engineering masterpiece, known as the BMW Brutus, now resides in Germany as a treasured museum artifact. Occasional exhibitions showcase its might, always accompanied by a vigilant fire extinguisher, for the flames spewing forth from the engine possess the potential to ignite the surroundings. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel, like and leave a comment. Bye.